Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Epic Games password. It's pretty simple. You want to go on your browser and search for Epic. Then you want to click on the first option. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. Click on the person looking icon at the top right and log in into your Epic Games account. Once you log in into your Epic Games account, click on the person looking icon again, but this time click on account. Once you do that, it is going to take you to the account setting page of Epic Games. From over here, make sure you're in the account settings section. Over here, scroll a bit down and you will see all of your information. Once you scroll a bit down, you will see the option called password and security. Click on it. From over here, to change your password, first you need to enter your current password. Once you enter your current password, enter your new password over here and then enter your new password again to confirm it. To do that, click on Save Changes. And if the information you entered over here are correct, your password of Epic Games will be changed. That is how you guys can change your Epic Games password. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.